style going on here. This is my own hair. So as you can tell, I'm ready for a haircut. It's looking a little orange on the bottom, so I'm gonna have to work on that. Anywho, today I'm doing an unboxing from a jewelry company that sells products online. They sent this beautiful ring to me. They told me to go on their website, choose a ring. They'll custom size it to my finger and send it out to me, and all they asked for me to do is link their channel down below, share it to my social media, and they will also give a 20% discount to anyone who would like to purchase a ring or any piece of jewelry that they have on their site. They have the most incredible sales on right now, and I've had my family look at some of the rings on site, and they're really, really impressed. These are all sterling silver. These are very well made rings, and I'm going to get straight into the review. As you know, it came in this envelope, and when I opened the envelope, it came in this box. The name of the company is Lajerrio. Lajerrio, I think it is. The J is silent. Lajerrio. And it came like this. Beautiful, beautiful little drawer box with the name on top. Gorgeous, gorgeous little box. Very substantial. And in the bottom drawer, there are, it comes with a little gift bag if you wish to give it as a gift. And with that comes the little pamphlet, and that explains how to take care of the silver and the gemstones. And then in this little pouch, this cute little cloth for cleaning your jewelry. So that's the bottom drawer, and then the top drawer comes out like this, and the box is right there. The box is luxurious. This is gorgeous. I mean, you could give this to someone for an engagement ring. Like, seriously, it is that gorgeous. Inside, now I picked an aquamarine stone because I'm born in December, and that is my birthstone. They custom made it to my size, and this is the ring. I will probably wear it on this finger, so it's going to be a dress ring for me. And I wear a lot of aqua colors, a lot of blues. As you can see today, I am all blinged out in my blues to celebrate this gorgeous ring. Gorgeous ring. I'm going to link this ring that I purchased, and I'm also going to link the website of the company, because they do sell all their jewelry online, so you can get an incredible deal. I will also link the 20% discount code for my viewers. I'm going to show you an up-close picture of this ring. This is sterling silver. It is set with beautiful, beautiful crystals down each side of the ring. And then in the top, there is this huge aquamarine blue stone that sparkles like you would not believe. And then it's surrounded by all these crystals again. Now, you could wear it as an engagement ring if you like. They have some gorgeous engagement and wedding band sets, and they are gorgeous. But I will be wearing it on this hand because I have a wedding and engagement ring, which I don't have on because I wanted to make it all about this ring today. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Lajerrio for this gorgeous ring and for the opportunity to get to show it. I will cherish it always. And yeah, I hope you just go and check them out. If you're looking for a ring right now, this is a great opportunity. I'm thrilled to be able to share it with you all. And I'm thrilled that they found me to promote their jewelry. It's gorgeous. It took about a week to arrive. They did have a tracker on it, so I was able to go online. I was able to watch each state that it came into. It came from, okay, so it was a DHL. So they're a great company, and you can track it along the way. And it came originally from Muscat. So I'm not sure where that is. Is that in the States, or it possibly might be in Mexico? And I tracked it across the United States, and coming into Canada, there was no problems crossing the border into Canada. And also what I liked about this is that they bring it straight to your door and you have to sign for it. So there is no way this is getting lost in the mail. So that's it, folks. And I hope you enjoyed this little video. Go have a look, go check them out. Keep in mind, if you ever do need to purchase a ring or any piece of jewelry, or Christmas is coming up, by all means, go check them out. And I think you'll love them. The quality is excellent. So yeah, I'll be looking into it. I'll be seeing if my daughter-in-laws like any of the jewelry, and maybe buy them a piece for Christmas. So thanks again for watching. Thanks again to Lajerrio for sending me this gorgeous ring. And I will talk to you all on the next video. And don't forget, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle.